Hello everyone and welcome to today's review. I'll be taking you through an in-depth look at Blogify AI, an innovative content generation platform designed to help businesses and individuals create blog posts and other written content quickly and efficiently. In this review, we'll explore how Blogify AI works, its key features, the pricing model, the pros and cons, and before concluding whether it's a good fit for you. So let's dive in and explore what this platform is all about. By leveraging AI technology, Blogify AI aims to streamline the writing process, making it ideal for marketers, bloggers, content creators, and entrepreneurs looking to scale their content without spending excessive time on research and drafting. Blogify AI automates the process of creating high-quality, SEO-friendly blog posts. Users can generate articles at a fraction of the time it would take to write manually, making it especially useful for those who want to consistently produce content but lack the time or resources. Blogify AI is also helpful for generating ideas, structuring articles, and even optimizing them for SEO, ensuring that the content created ranks well in search engines. For small businesses, agencies, or freelancers, Blogify AI can help improve productivity and efficiency by enabling them to generate more content with less effort. Whether you're a beginner blogger looking for inspiration or a seasoned content marketer looking to streamline your workflow, Blogify AI provides a range of tools to meet various content creation needs. Now let us talk about the main features. Blogify AI offers a variety of amazing features. AI-powered blog generation. The platform uses advanced artificial intelligence to generate complete blog posts from scratch. Users can input a topic or keyword, and the AI will produce a well-researched article that includes an introduction, body, and conclusion. SEO optimization tools. Blogify AI offers built-in SEO tools to optimize content for better search engine rankings. This includes keyword suggestions, readability improvements, and metadata adjustments, all designed to help users create content that is not only informative but also ranks well on Google. Content customization. Users have the ability to customize the tone, style, and length of the generated content. Whether you need a casual blog post or a formal article, the AI can adapt its writing style based on user preferences. Multiple language support. The platform supports content generation in multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for global businesses or bloggers catering to diverse audiences. Content planning and scheduling. Blogify AI provides tools to plan and schedule posts. Users can create a content calendar, allowing for consistent publishing without the need to manually post each blog entry. Team collaboration. The platform supports team accounts, making it easier for businesses or agencies to collaborate on content creation. Multiple team members can contribute to the process, and managers can approve or modify the content before publishing. Now let us talk about the pricing. Blogify AI offers several pricing tiers, which vary based on the number of blog posts you can generate per month and access to premium features like team collaboration and advanced SEO tools. The typical pricing structure includes the basic plan, designed for individual bloggers or small-scale users who need occasional content creation. The Pro plan offers a higher post limit, additional customization options, and SEO tools catering to professional content creators or small businesses. And the business plan, ideal for agencies and larger teams with more robust features such as team collaboration, a content planner, and priority support. This table on the website features all the details and the nitty-gritties about the several plans that are available and what is available on each plan. What are the pros and cons of using Blogify AI? First, the pros. It is time-saving. The AI drastically reduces the time it takes to write high-quality blog posts. It is SEO friendly. Built-in tools help ensure that the content is optimized for search engines, increasing visibility and traffic potential. It is cost-effective. For businesses that regularly need new content, Blogify AI can be more affordable than hiring freelance writers. It is scalable. Whether you need one post a week or several posts a day, Blogify AI can scale with your current needs. Language flexibility. The ability to generate content in multiple languages makes it versatile for different markets. How about the cons? Lack of creativity. While AI-generated content can be well-structured and informative, it may lack the nuance, creativity, and originality that human writers bring. Repetitive outputs. Some users may find that the AI produces content that feels formulaic or repetitive over time. Dependence on input quality. The quality of the final output largely depends on how specific and well-researched the initial input is. Limited niche expertise. For highly specialized industries, AI may not always understand the technical details needed, resulting in less accurate or superficial content. In conclusion, Blogify AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to scale their content creation efforts, especially if you need to produce SEO-friendly blog posts quickly. Its intuitive interface, time-saving capabilities, and built-in SEO features make it an attractive option for bloggers, small businesses, and marketing agencies. However, it's important to consider the limitations, especially if you're looking for highly creative or deep specialized content. While the AI does an excellent job with structure and optimization, it may not capture the creativity or expertise that certain niches require. Overall, Blogify AI can be a great fit for those who prioritize efficiency and scalability in content creation. But for more specialized or highly creative industries, it might be better supplemented with human writing or used alongside other AI tools to maximize quality. If Blogify AI isn't the right fit for you, here are some alternatives to consider. Jasper AI, WriteSonic, or Copy.ai. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.